another battle awaits. This time, Hiccup is not alone. His friends stand by his side. Yet once again, he surprises everyone. In the heat of the fight, he defeats another dragon with shocking ease. The crowd is left. What is Hiccup's secret? How is he doing this? And then, for a third time, Hiccup enters the battlefield. Once again, against all odds, he emerges victorious, defeating yet another dragon. By now, everyone is not just shocked, they're deeply curious. Whispers spread, questions rise. One day, as Hiccup heads out to see his dragon in secret, one of his friends decides to follow him quietly. She wants to uncover the truth behind his mysterious victories. But no matter how hard she tries, she cannot keep track of him. Hiccup's secret remains hidden, at least for now.